Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Shoe Freak. I hope you guys all are doing good. I hope you guys all are watching my videos. So friends, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, please do not forget to press the bell icon in order to get notification of my new videos. So friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about pink heels. So pink heels are a stylish and versatile footwear option that can add a pop of color to any outfit. Whether you are dressing up for a special occasion or simply want to elevate your everyday look, pink heels can be a great choice. These elegant shoes come in various shades of pink, from soft pastels to bold fuchsias, and they are available in a range of styles including pumps, stilettos, and wedges. One of the key attractions of pink heels is their ability to make a statement. They are often associated with femininity and can be a powerful fashion choice. Pink heels can complement a wide range of clothing from dresses and skirts to jeans and trousers, making them a versatile addition to your wardrobe. They can be paired with both casual and formal outfits, adding a touch of sophistication to your look. In terms of materials, pink heels come in various options, including leather, suede, patent, and satin. Each material gives a unique shoe's texture and appearance. Leather pink heels are often seen as more classic and formal, while suede offers a softer, more textured look. Patent pink heels can provide a glossy finish, making them perfect for a more glamorous occasion. Satin pink heels, on the other hand, can add a touch of luxury to your ensemble. Comfort is also a significant factor when choosing pink heels. Many brands offer padded insoles and cushioned footbeds to ensure that you can wear them for extended periods without discomfort. Heel height varies, allowing you to choose between low, mid, or high heels to suit your comfort and style preferences. To maintain the vibrancy of pink heels, proper care is essential. Regular cleaning and protection against stains and scuffs are important to keep them looking their best. It's advisable to store them in a cool, dry place and avoid exposing them to excessive heat or direct sunlight. In summary, pink heels are a fashionable and eye-catching choice for footwear. Their diverse shades, styles, and materials make them a versatile addition to your wardrobe. Suitable for a variety of occasions, with the right care, these stylish heels can remain a staple in your fashion collection. So friends, I hope you like this video. I will see you in my next video with more creative ideas of shoes. Goodbye, see you soon. Hello friends, welcome.